Hey, Dave Knight here, 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. May 31st, Friday, May 31st, 2019. We have made it to the end of another month. This is my third month back into trading, March, April, and May. Still in FTP, but I'm getting a lot closer to moving to that next stage. So I did make a new account high today. Oh, I played rope-a-dope with the market. I got so close to catching something really big today. It came back, knocked me out. I got in again, knocked me out, got in again. Then obviously, then the close of business, we see that we go underneath the $54 a barrel. So we did reach kind of the area that I was looking for, 54, 53-ish range. Not exactly sure where it's going to close out, but I'm pretty sure that it was at like 53.05. Anyway, if you guys could quote what it closed at, I'd appreciate it. I believe when I closed my system down, it was at 53.05. So anyway, I just you can have the better. It's easy sometimes when you're looking at it. And so supply and demand, and there was this one really cool area today that it hit it 3 or 4 different times, and then finally it broke through. I believe it was at around heck, I don't know, like around anyway, there was this really cool area that it hit it. You can go back and look at your charts itself, and you can see it hit it, went up, hit it, went up, hit it, and then it finally broke through. There was a demand area going across that little area that all you had to do was at 73, I think it was 54.73 if I'm not mistaken. I think that was the level that you wanted to sell and work your way down. So yeah, I saw it. So I guess half the battle is recognize where a valid sell and buy signal is. I'm still trying to pull this Sam Seed and stuff together, but it's making a lot more sense to me as it relates to high volume bars and where a good market, the area that I was looking for the market to get back to, and it never did. I wanted to sell around the 5555 area today, 55. I thought we were going to get back up to a really big number like that, maybe get up to about 55, 58, and then I wanted to sell it into there. It never did get up that high. At time of trade, when I was trading this morning, at the 8 a.m. CST, it was at S1, and I got in a little below S1, and it rolled out and took me out. I tried again. I just kept playing with the market. So I made some money. I could have made, woulda, shoulda, coulda day, But anyway, long story short, I ended up making a new account high, getting closer to hanging on to some of these. So it's close. Now I'm starting to feel like where I can put that stop at, and where I can bracket a trade. At least if I'm here, shorten it where I should put the stop at and if it does go there, then it negates that kind of opportunity. And so in that sense, it's that's the cool thing about it, is to understand that one of the trades that I actually lost, I think it was 10 ticks on today. If I would have ran with just a little bit above that, I stay in it, and then the other one, it would have run it out no matter what. So, but later in the session, when the market came back down, it hit this area at least 4 times, and then hit it the 5th time, and I believe the 6th time it hit it, it pushed through. But it was the 54.73, and I had to take my son. Well, I was here at the time when it was rolling, so I just I don't know. You just see it, and you have to you got to build up your confidence, right? At least that's how I look at it. You got to build up your confidence to be able to understand. Because I caught a couple longs coming up, and finally I just said, you know what, this is a market that is not going up. It's not going to go up today. It's going to sell in the close. So I caught a nice trade at sell in the close, and I caught another couple along the way. I made a little bit of money, but had way too many trades. I could have cut my trades in half today, and if I was a little bit more selective in entry, it would have been a really nice day. The 8 o'clock trade, if I would have been able to hold on to that one, you know, it was worth at least 100 ticks today. So I can see if it would have allowed me to stay in that trade, if the market would have come back, it came up a little bit deeper than I expected. And a lot of times, you know, when I'm in a short, I expect the market to come up and then go down, come back up and then go back down, and wherever that crest is. So sometimes you just don't pick the right spot. I don't know how to explain it other than that me personally, I don't want to lose anything greater than 20 ticks, especially when it comes to the 30K account. I don't want to go down, a lot of times I don't want to go down greater than 10 ticks in any given trade setup that I'm in. I like the idea that I've got 4 shots at 10 ticks a pop to get position, and then be able to ride the trade out. I like that. And when the volatility is a lot higher like it is right now, you know, 10 ticks gets hit like that. I mean, bam, you're in, and boom, you get knocked out. One of my trades probably was in for 3 seconds. I got in and ding, it hit it in 10 seconds. Within 3 to 5 seconds later, it went 10 ticks against me. So that's a double-edged sword of the crude oil market. When the volatility goes up, you know, you can accumulate losses quickly. Anyway, so long story short, I ended up doing okay for the week. I made a new account high. I'm getting closer and closer to moving on to the next stage, which for me will be the pro account, because CTS, with all the bells and whistles of that, you need to the way the CTS T4 platform is, there's an advanced platform, and then there's the platform that you get as a funded trader. So when you're a funded trader with the CTS T4 platform, not all the advanced signals are in that. So it's kind of screwy the way they mess with you that way. And it's not Top Step Trader's fault. It's the way the CTS has built their system around it. So one of the things that Top Step Trader helped eliminate was they made this pro account that you can build up, and then once you have that, you're going to be able to hold on to your CTS T4 platform, and then you'll have the funded account to the side with your order platform, and then you still have all your bells and whistles when your charts, and maybe in the end I don't even need charts. Maybe I can just find out where my white lines are and go for it from there. All right, I'm babbling. Let's go. That's it for the week. That's it for the day. I hope you had a lot better day than I did. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week, which will be the 1st of June. I guess June 3rd will be Monday. So see you next week. Bye for now.